Bending for wire and tube is state-of-the-art. 5 Wafio's wire benders are in use, including one BT 3.4 dual head bender, the first of its kind in North America. Wire diameters from 2 to 6.5 millimeters up to 2,000 millimeters in length can be processed. Kripa bending equipment represents the majority of our tube bending operation, along with one Wafio's tube bender. We can process steel tubes, solid bars, square tubes, and rectangle tubes to any desired caliber millimeter measurement that is standard range to the industry. The bulk molding compound, or BMC press, allows J Industries to employ a process that few companies can execute in the nation. This thermal set process manufactures headlight form components through high heat, assuring better durability. 10 machines are dedicated to this process, all of which are robotic and automated. Manufactured components are transferred to deflashing equipment and prepped for coating. In utilizing the CMM laser, we can inspect sheet metal vehicle body parts, driveline castings, plastic molding, and other complex surface inspections. We hold a TS 16949 certification that applies to the design, development, production, and, when relevant, installation and servicing of automotive-related products. It is an ISO technical specification focusing on the development of a quality management system that provides for ongoing improvement, emphasizing defect prevention and the reduction of variation and waste in the supply chain. Through our coating processes, metal components can be surface treated to protect against corrosion and make them resistant to chemicals, while giving them a variety of attractive appearances. Using 21-stage cathodic electrodeposition line, chemical agent resistance coating, or the powder coating facility, quality surface treatment is assured. J Industries can work with steel coils up to 60 inches wide and 1/4 of an inch thick, cut to width on a Branner slitter with inline leveler. Our coil slitting pre-process operations maintain the integrity of the steel, the quality of the cut, the protection of the surface, and the tolerance of the edge. In tube manufacturing, a high-frequency welding tube mill forms tubes into any shape, from 1/2 inch to 5 inches in diameter, using 2800ths to over 1600ths of an inch gauge materials. We can cut tubes to desired length, OD and ID chamfering, flash control, and deburring. J Industries makes the framework for the headlights of the Ford F-150 pickup truck. In the process, we use vacuum metallizers from the renowned German manufacturer Leibold. Injection molding, masking, painting and assembling complete the component. The finished decorative coating can be done in various colors to coordinate well with vehicle colors. J Industries invests in the latest technology to assure quality production. Our unsurpassed base coating processes and component cleaning preparation are two examples. Our commitment to a state-of-the-art plant has resulted in timely production, better quality and material saving, such as paint supplies, while creating a cleaner operation overall. In addition to high-volume production capabilities, J Industries has developed a skilled group of fabricators who specialize in the assembly of agricultural weldments. Grilled frames and large handrail assemblies for ATVs and heavy tractor equipment are meticulously crafted under their supervision. The processing of these assemblies uses nearly all of our vertical integration, sheet and tube lasers, press work, tube and wire bending, MIG and resistance welding, manual assembly, E-coat, chemical agent resistance coating and powder coating. Having these processes under one roof allows J Industries to be flexible and competitive.
First created by Glenn Taylor, which was my grandfather's father. A company called Taylor Dice Company. I was with another gentleman named Dice, and they made radiant gas heaters and stamping, and then got into plating and some other things with metals. Dick, my grandfather, decided to get into some plastic business and opened J Plastics, and a year later that's when Rick came aboard to run that facility.
First big job was for a Chevy grill that we did for Rogate Industries. They didn't have tanks big enough, and we electroplated them, and that was our first venture into the automotive world.
A lot of loyal, long-term employees that have grown with the company, and also, there's a lot of ownership, I think, amongst our employee base.
We've always worked very closely with our employees. We're very understanding as management to our employees, and I think it shows, and people like to work for us.
We're one of the most advanced in the industry. I mean, if you look at our equipment, you look what we're doing, we're very innovative, got great ideas, and capitalize on those ideas.
Our specialty in the plastics is decorated interior components for automobiles and lighting. We make BMC reflectors and a lot of other direct metal trim parts. We understand that it's a global market. Everybody understands that they're competing with the low-cost suppliers in the world, so we have to be competitive, and that's key. Everybody understands that. if you can supply a world-class part built here, I think you've got great opportunities.
J Industries has embraced space-age technology in its use of computer-programmed laser cutters. That have the capability of customizing metal tubes with precision cuts that meet the toleration standards of the customer. This leading-edge technology assures better quality and less defective parts than formerly used methods. It is also time efficient and therefore more cost effective. J Industries uses the latest technology to produce a premium finish on exterior and interior components with up to 4-coat capability. Our facilities contain 3 enclosed paint lines with oven cure and infrared capabilities. All 3 lines possess 1K and 2K paint application abilities, with robotic delivery highlighted by a rotary atomizer or bell gun. We also have 7 vacuum metallizing lines, as well as secondary mask and painting operations for added flexibility. Components are thoroughly prepared for finishing by a quality cleaning process imported from Europe. Together with our fully staffed tool and die shop, we have state-of-the-art stamping presses that encompass a wide range of both progressive and transfer die production. Up to 800 tons. Our hydraulic and mechanical presses, along with our computer numerical control press brakes, allow for the production of formed precision components, including those created from sheet metal. J Industries has over 200 robotic welding cells and systems, making it possible to manufacture a wide variety of assemblies for numerous industries. We are proficient in a range of welding techniques, which include MIG resistance, projection, TIG and spot welding. Quality work is a high priority, and our ongoing inspections ensure weld integrity throughout the manufacturing process.